All right, what's good, everyone? It's Maximuss Trades here. So this is day three of the $150 to $1,000 challenge, and today was a good day. We made $60, or actually $59 on the live account. And you can see our account balance is at 194.04. So we had a good day today. So I'm just gonna walk through quickly what I took. It's kind of confusing, but I knew I said yesterday I wouldn't be trading today because I had a test, but then I ended up hopping on the charts at around 11:30, and I saw a decent PM move forming. So first trade I took was these shorts that I think killed me or something like that. Yeah, I know I took a loss on shorts. Let me check. Wait. Mm, no, I think I lost today actually. So what ended up happening was I ended up taking this short position here, just looking at a high time frame, uh, like continuation, like a high time frame kind of sweep, and then 1 hour SMT at these highs, I believe. Yeah, 1 hour SMT at the highs at this time. As you can see, we were closing above this high. We weren't above this high on ES, but on NQ at that time we were above this high. So that kind of gave me my bearish bias. And then hopping on, I just saw, oh yeah, the main thing here was, okay, on the 5 minute time frame, let me just get rid of this real quick. You can see how at around 11:35, which is when I hopped on, NQ is all the way down here. Oh shit. Then if I hop onto ES, you can see how at 11:35, ES is basically at this order block, which kind of gave me that 5 minute SMT. So what ended up happening was I entered some shorts off like a good amount of confirmation. You can see all these stacked fair value gaps. I don't want to get too much into that, but we just entered off some nice fair value gaps, inverses and retests. And then at this point, so this is where I kind of exited my trade here. Partials for like $15 here. Then I moved up to break even, so I ended up getting stopped out at break even here. So I'm not too mad about that. I made $15 here, and the reason why I kind of saw this like partial. This is my initial TP1. I had TP1, TP2, TP3 set up, as you can see here. My TP1 here is the key low, but the main thing that made me sell kind of like even before I knew like I didn't sell it up here. I kind of sold it like down here because I knew that because of this 5 minute SMT you'll see right here. So on ES at this exact time we see relative equal lows being made by ES coming down and taking out this low. But if you look at NQ, we see at that exact same time we did not take out this low. We made a bullish SMT over here, which is why I kind of exited my position somewhat prematurely. But yeah, it's whatever. Made 15, got stuff that I break even. The remaining like 20, like 40-ish bucks, I made up this long. So essentially, all it was a kind of a lower time. It was just playing off that bullish SMT. Really, I just saw the opportunity here, and I was like de-risking. Cause I already made money for the day, so I was fine to lose. Wasn't really like my traditional setups or anything, but it's kind of the discretion to it. So we ended up coming up, and I entered off this in like multiple series of inversions. I got really close to getting stopped here. This value gap. This would have been the perfect entry because you look at a 5 minute equilibrium retrace. It was a little premature, again, a little emotional entry. Almost got stopped here, but overall the discussion was good. We were able to identify after being stopped at a break even, identify a reversal. So we revert, technically all we did is really reverse our position to upside. Just ending up taking out this long. It was pretty clean if we would have entered off this like retest or something. Like if I entered, okay, wait, if you see this, like 5 minute bullish shit right here. If I could just entered off this green line type shit, right? Yeah, so I could have entered off this inverse gap or some shit like that right here, and then or off even inverse gap or some shit like right there. Wouldn't give me a better entry, just a better like it wouldn't give me a better risk to reward percent, but it's just been overall better entry sticking to my rules. But overall, my stop loss was actually like down here, like it wasn't that much of an edge, but we got close to being stopped. Like we were really close to being stopped. I mean, I'm getting lucky and kind of reversing. But anyway, $60 today, good day, and I don't know. Yeah, I think I have time. I'm just gonna make my Nah, I probably won't. Probably my strategy video tomorrow, just because I was gonna make it today, but I wasn't thinking I was gonna trade today. We ended up trading, so might as well just post the recap and yeah, strategy video coming tomorrow. But apart from that, good day. Made a bunch of money. Hopefully, you can carry this momentum tomorrow. I have another test. What do you even have tomorrow for news? Unemployment won't be too bad. I don't know. Hopefully, you don't miss out any good entries to because today price. Look at this shit. This shit's ass. This is like prime 930. Like this is like just like horrible. Like I know so many people lost money here because like fake longs, fake short. That's crazy. Back to back as well. So yeah, strategy video probably come tomorrow unless I trade PM again. But today was a clean PM session. One TB1 break even and then one just full TP almost stopped out. But it's good. It's clean. Almost at 200 on the live count, which is good from 150. So we're up total P&L. We start at 150. It's probably around like so we started at 150, so it's $54 total P&L in the first 2 days of trading, which is good. Hopefully, yeah, trying to close out this week, maybe Friday, get a good day in, maybe bring it to like 75 first week P&L, which would be good. And yeah, hopefully you can get this $1,000 going. But yeah, that's enough for today. It's December 3rd, 2025, and yeah, it's episode 3.